To troubleshoot a top-load Whirlpool washer that won't start a cycle, begin by confirming that the cycle was initiated correctly. Next, check that the control light is off and ensure the lid is locked, as an unlocked lid can prevent the cycle from starting. Additional information on lid locking can be found online. It's also essential to press and hold the start button for at least 3 seconds. Check the control panel for any error codes, such as LF or F81, and take steps to remove them if present. Verify that the washer is filling correctly and connected directly to the water supply. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact the Whirlpool support team. Available Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. To schedule an appointment with a professional to service the washer, the support team can be reached by phone, and assistance is available to help resolve the problem and get the washer operational again.